Hello everyone, this is Woon.heng. Today, let's make rice paper nuggets in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sauce. First, cut the mushrooms into large bite-sized pieces. They will shrink when cooked. To make the mushroom more flavorful, you'll need to saute to extract the inside moisture before you season them. Can you see the glistening here? They smell so good too. Before assembling, grease a plate for you to place the wrapped nuggets. And similar to my sweet and sour vegan fish, I'm wrapping it with rice paper to create a crispy outer layer. Once you soak the paper in the water, count to 20. Then transfer to a chopping board, and if the rice paper is still hard, leave it on the chopping board for another few seconds to soften it. And wrap it to seal. Easy, right? Don't worry about getting it into a perfect shape. Air fry the nuggets for about 5 minutes until crispy, or you can shallow fry them in a skillet. Do check the nuggets in between and make sure they don't stick together. The wrapper will turn white like that. Look at how crispy they are. Now, make the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sauce. The sauce has 5 ingredients and each is added with an increment of the spoon. Usually, the 1 and 5 remains the same, but you can customize 2, 3, 4 to your taste. Cook the sauce until it starts to thicken and turn into a glaze. Toss the nuggets in the sauce until well coated. It's going to be a very sticky sauce. Look at that glaze. Serve it with a bowl of rice. It's so easy and delicious. Hope you give this dish a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Bye!